everyone. Today we'll be discussing exercise 6.3 of chapter 6 triangles. Here in the previous videos we have discussed problems 1 to 11. In this video we'll be discussing problems 12 to 16. So in the problem number 12, what is given here? Sides AB and BC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and QR and median PM of triangle PQR. Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So here we have two triangles. Let us draw the triangles here. First one, triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. One triangle is there. Another one more triangle, that is triangle PQR, and medians are there. So I'll draw median here and one more for this one here. Okay, so here it is triangle A, B, C, and this one is P, Q, R, median AD. So this is AD and PM. It is given. Okay, so here first part, that is sides AB, BC, median, they are proportional to PQ, QR, median, PM. So what is given here? Given AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM. It is given. And here AD is median and PM is median. So AD median is median. So what it implies? Median means definitely BD is equal to DC. This implies BD is equal to DC or BC is equal to 2BD. Am I right? BC is equal to 2BD. Similarly, in the second triangle, here this is median, PM is median, then QM is equal to MR, QM is equal to MR, or we can write QR is equal to QM. QR is equal to 2QM. So while solving the examples in geometry, whatever is given and with the given what can be written, we have to write down all those, whether we use it in the proof part or not, that is secondary, but given you have to write it clearly. Then what we have to prove? To prove what is to be proved? Show that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Just see here, given is AB by PQ and BC by QR is equal to BC by QR. Okay, proportionality of sides is given. If we prove one angle is equal or other side is in proportional to the respective side of the other triangle, then by SAS or by SSS we can prove ABC is similar to PQR. Okay, here now we'll take the given part, that is proof. So given AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR is equal to AD by PM, or I'll write AB by PQ. In place of BC, I'll give this one 1, this 2, this one 3. BC, in place of BC, I can write 2BD. 2BD. In place of QR, we can write 2QM. is equal to AD by PM. AD by PM. Or AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM is equal to AD by PM. So what it shows? See here, AB by PQ, BD by QM, AD by PM. So these two triangles, all three sides are proportional. So by SSS criteria, we can write these two triangles are similar. So this implies triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by SSS criteria. So if both are similar, then definitely this implies angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Now what we have to prove? Let us consider these two triangles. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, given is AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, AB by PQ is equal to BC by QR, and this angle angle B is equal to angle Q. Let us take this one as 4 from 1 and 4. So by SAS criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. By SAS criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, this is example 12. Let us solve next example. Example 13. D is a point on the side BC of a triangle ABC. Okay, one triangle ABC is there. D is point on BC, such that angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. I'll draw one triangle here. First we'll draw a triangle. Okay. This is one triangle. It is A, B, C. Then D is a point on BC. So here some point is there, that is BC, D on BC. Then angle ADC, I'll join these two. A. Okay. So angle ADC means this angle. ADC is equal to BAC, this angle. It is given. So again write down given. ABC is a triangle. D is a point on BC. Then angle ADC is equal to angle BAC. It is given. Then to prove, what we have to prove? To prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. Proof. Right. So here CA means this side, CB associated with this triangle, then CD means this one. CA square is there, so CA 2 times. By observing this, what to be proved, we get to know that we have to prove triangle CAB is similar to triangle CDA. We have to prove that. Then we can write down this. Okay. So always whenever given such type of examples, check what are the sides here. Then you will understand which two triangles should be proved similar. Okay, in that way. So given we are written to prove. Now we'll consider in triangle ADC. I'll take CAB and CDA. Okay, angle DC is equal to angle BAC. It is given. It is given. And angle C is common to both ACD and CAB. Angle C is common. Angle C is common. Okay. So by AA criteria, triangle CAB is similar to triangle CDA by AA criteria. AA criteria. So if these two are similar, then their sides are proportional. By AA criteria, we can write AC corresponding sides you have to take by CD is equal to BC. What is required here? That you have to take, or CB by CA or AC. Both are same. This implies AC square is equal to CB into CD. Hence the proof. Next example. 14th. AB and AC and median AD of a triangle ABC are respectively proportional to sides PQ and PR and median PM of another triangle PQR. Again, here we have two triangles. I'll draw a little bit small triangle here because proof is lengthy. Okay, so anyhow median are there, so I'll draw median also here. This is median. Okay, so here A, B, C, AD, P, Q, R and M. So this is median, means this BD is equal to CD, here QM is equal to MR. Okay, given. So given is they are proportional, that is given AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. Right. Then what we have to prove? To prove triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. We need to prove this. Now proof. Right. So here we have to prove ABC is similar to PQR. We don't know anything about the angles also here. Only about this median and this proportionality we know. AB and PQ, then AC, PR. Two sides are proportional. Again, as I told in the previous example, either we have to prove one angle is equal or the third side, that is BC by QR, that we have to prove. For that one, we need to make one construction here. Here only I'll make the construction that produce this AD such that AD is equal to, I'll take one point here, E, AD is equal to E and join CE. Here also I'll extend this, then I'll join these two. Okay, this is construction. This will be E and this is N. Okay, so construction is produce AD to E such that AD is equal to DE. AD, this is equal to DE, and produce PM to N such that PM is equal to MN. Then join CE and RN. This is construction. Then this angle will be 1. I'll take this as 2. This one angle 3. And this is angle 4. Now we'll take proof part. Here AD by PM is given. Okay, and AB by PQ, right? One more, AC by PR. So they are not sides of the same two triangles, but we'll make use of this given. I'll consider in a triangle ABD and triangle EDC. See here, ABD and DEC. AD is equal to DE by construction. AD is equal to DE, that is by construction. Okay, then angle, this angle is equal to this angle, vertically opposite angles. Angle ADB is equal to angle EDC, vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Then this BD is equal to DC, right? BD is equal to DC. BD is equal to DC. So two sides are equal and one angle is equal. So by congruency, SAS congruence of triangles, these two triangles are congruent. Okay. So this implies triangle ABD is congruent to triangle EDC. That is by SAS congruent of triangles, congruency theorem of triangles. Okay, theorem of triangles. So these two are congruent, means definitely AB is equal to P, AB is equal to C. These two triangles we have taken. So this implies AB is equal to CE. So we have proved AB is equal to CE. Let it be 1. Okay. Similarly, if you take these two triangles with the same proof, we can prove PQ is equal to RN. Similarly, we can prove PQ is equal to RN. Let it be 2. PQ is equal to RN. Next, so given is AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to AD by PM. So given write this AB by PQ. So this implies AB is equal to CE. I'll write CE by PQ is equal to RN. CE by RN is equal to AC. AC by PR is equal to AD. AD is nothing but DE, right? AD is there. So I can write 2AD by 2 PM. We can write like this or not. I am just multiplying and dividing by 2. This implies, this step you have to remember. This implies CE by RN is equal to AC by PR. What is 2AD? 2AD is nothing but AE. AE by, what is 2 PM? It is PN. AE by PN. Just observe this. CE by RN, AC by PR, AE by PN. What it shows? These two triangles are similar or not by SSS criteria. This implies triangle AEC is similar to triangle PNR. AEC is similar to triangle PNR. These two are similar. It means angles, corresponding angles are equal or not. This implies angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 is equal to angle 4. Okay. So now I'll write here. Please make the adjustment because this problem is proof is lengthy, so I am writing here. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, or angle 1 plus angle 3 is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4. What is angle 1 plus angle 3? It is angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to angle 2 plus angle 4 is QPR. Angle QPR. Okay. Now see here. Given is AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. Then we have proved this corresponding angle. Angle subtended by these two sides is also equal. Then back from given and angle BAC is equal to angle QPR, we can prove, we can say ABC, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Okay, this is problem 14. Next problem, that is problem number 15. So 15th problem, a vertical pole of length 6 meter. One vertical pole is there. Vertical pole, its length is 6 meter. Casts a shadow 4 meter. Shadow, length of the shadow is 4 meter long on the ground, and at the same time a tower casts, one more tower is there. Its length is 28 meter. Find the casts a shadow. Tower length is not known. It's a shadow. W it is. Its shadow is equal to 28 meter. Find the height of the tower. Height of the tower is required. So here one vertical pole is there. Okay. So its height is 6 meter. At the same time, one more tower is there. Its height is 28 meter. Okay. So here this will be definitely 90 degree. It is A, and this is 60 meter, and this one is 4 meter shadow it is given. Let this be D, E, F. Again this is 90 degree, X, and this one is 28 meter. So first observe, all are in same unit or not? Yes, all are in meters. Now we have to find out this. Here in these two triangles, one angle is 90 degree and this angle is equal to this angle, because this is called as angular elevation of the sun. It is equal for all. So it is over now. By AA criteria, we can prove these two are similar. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF, angle A is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. Angle ACB is equal to angle DFE, because angular elevation of the sun. Angular elevation of the sun. Why it is same? Because it in the problem they have mentioned at the same time. At the same time means at the same time definitely that angular elevation will be same. So by AA criteria, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF by AA criteria. AA criteria. So then corresponding sides will be in proportion. So AB by DE is equal to AC by DF, or AB is 60, DE is X, AC is 4, DF is 20. So this implies X is equal to 60 into 28 by 4. So it is 7 ones are 4 ones are 4 sevens are, and here it is 60. No, this is 60 meter or 6 meter. It is 6 meter. So 6 meter, 42 meter. So X is equal to 42 meter. Next example. If AD and PM are medians of triangles ABC and PQR, again here we have two triangles ABC and PQR, and median is there. We'll draw the figure. Till that, please read the problem. Okay, two triangles, and I'll draw the median also here. Okay, so let this be A, B, C, D, P, Q, R, and this is M. Okay, so what is given here? AD, PM, median, PQR. Okay, these are all given. AD is median means BD is equal to CD. PM is median means QM is equal to MR. Where ABC is similar to PQR. Given ABC is similar to PQR. When these two are similar, then definitely this implies AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR is equal to BC by QR. Let this be 1. What we have to prove? And even they are similar means corresponding angles are equal. Angle A is equal to angle P, angle B is equal to angle Q, angle C is equal to angle R. Let this be 2. And one more is AD is median. So BD is equal to, or BD, 2BD is equal to BC, or 2BD is equal to BC by 2, and QM is equal to QR by 2. QR by 2, or BC is equal to 2BD and QR is equal to 2QM. Let this be 3. Now we'll prove proof from 1 and 3. From 1 and 3. So proof 1 is AB by PQ is equal to AC by PR. In place of BC, I'll write 2BD. 2BD. In place of QR, 2QM. 2 gets cancelled. So here AB by PQ, AD by AC by PR is equal to BD by QM. Okay. So AB by PQ is equal to BD by QM. Let this be 4. Right. So now we have to prove AB by PQ, AB by PQ, AD by PM. Okay, so these two triangles are similar, that we have to prove. That is, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM. In a triangle ABD and triangle PQM, angle B is equal to angle Q. From 2 it is given, from 2 and from 4. Okay, AB by PQ and BD by QM. Then this angle B is equal to angle Q. We have proved now. So from 2 and 4, triangle ABD is similar to triangle PQM by which criteria? By SAS criteria of similarity. When these two are equal, then we can write AB by PQ is equal to AD by PM. AD by PM. Hence the proof. So this is all about exercise 6.3. We have completed all the problems in 3 parts. Just go through the problems and watch it once or twice to make the proof part clear. Thank you.